Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel and welcome back and welcome all the new people. I'm glad you're here. So today, I should have this on my lap or something. We are doing Topbox, as you read in the description. So if you don't know what Topbox is, I'm starting off already, am I? It is a Canadian subscription. Only Canadians get. It's $12 a month plus taxes depending on where you are. And you get deluxe size samples of products. They're supposed to be on the higher end. Every month they send out a survey, so sometimes you can get a prive box. And those boxes range from anything. I know this month was like a NARS concealer. I forget what was on the top. And then there was Rexall. I guess Rexall is sponsoring them for the month. They had different boxes from Rexall. So I chose box number 2, I think. I don't know where to look. Maybe I'll put something here to say, yeah, it's box number 2. I don't even remember. And so this is what it looks like. Rexall, and it says Inspired Beauty at Rexall. So yeah, box number 2. I don't have a Rexall that's near me. Probably the nearest one is just over an hour away. So there's this, and it's Sunny, and then a $10 coupon, but you have to spend $50, which I don't generally spend that much at those kind of stores. So yeah. So first thing I'm seeing or feeling is hair in my mouth. So this is, block my face, come on. You know you want, oh, there we go. So it is a Revlon Volumizing, play on words there, that's funny. 100% volumizing, in black as black, so that's what I do wear. It's supposed to be clump-free, fanned-out volume, dramatic volume with no smudging or flaking for 24 hours. That's quite the claim. Not that I wear mascara for 24 hours unless I'm partying, but I don't do that no more, so. So I'm not going to open this. I don't know if I'm going to put it in a giveaway because I have lots of mascaras on the go, or put it into my emergency kit because we live in a tsunami. What's the word? There's a chance that we could get a tsunami here. We had a warning last year that we had to get up at 2 in the morning and leave the house. But it's always good to have, and I got to clear up my go bag again, but I put makeup and stuff like that in there. So that might be really good for that. Okay. This. This. Actually, it's hashtag This Is Everything. By NYX, and it is lip oil. So I don't know what's going on with lip oils lately. Didn't hear of them, and all of a sudden the past 2 months I've gotten like 4 or 5 of them. But yeah, there we go. That's what it is. And I'm not going to try this one on either, just because again I have so many, but it's a really nice like pink color. So I didn't even smell that. Shame on me. How dare I not smell it? Got a nice kind of nice scent to it, so I'm not mad about that. And I like NYX's stuff too, so. Okay, this is Kela Naturals Hydrating Hand Cream with aloe vera, coconut oil, and marula oil. Youthful hydration, anti-aging formula. So I mean, I always like a hand cream. Didn't we get Kela Naturals in one of the boxes lately? In like a tube? It sounds familiar. I don't know why. At the first signs of premature aging occurs, the delicate skin on the hands is often most noticeable to others. it is often the most noticeable to others. Well, that's not very nice. It's kind of funny. I always thought you assumed you noticed them first, and then people would be like, oh, you look fine. But this is saying other people notice your aging things first. I think that's kind of funny. I don't know why. Did you find that funny? Because maybe it's just me. So, oh, and they don't give you prices, so I probably will just post whatever the prices are on this box. I'm not quite sure what this adds up to, but I'm pretty sure like the lip oil by NYX is probably like, you know, $6-7. So, yeah. And I just also want to point out, this month, they sure went crazy with these little things. Because that's insane. And they've already gotten everywhere, so yeah. Alright. Last but not least. I'm trying to avoid not spilling all this up, but it is what it is. Okay, so this is, you know, because I never bring a knife. Dum-dum me. Dum-dum me. Okay, so this is an e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. Ooh, and it's new apparently. So that's what the packaging looks like. What's going on here? Oh, they put like a thing around it. Oh, it's actually kind of tiny. I didn't expect it to be so tiny. So that's a nice, that's what it looks like. A nice little tin. I got to say, e.l.f., good for you. And, oh, how do I do this without blinding you? Oh, there we go. So it does have a mirror, and that is the palette. It's actually really nice neutrals. I'm not going to swatch this because, again, I've got quite a few on the go. And I may put this into, it's a really nice palette. I may put this into a future giveaway. By the way, stay tuned this past week. That didn't make sense, did it? Stay tuned sometime this week. That works. Because I'm going to be announcing a giveaway and future giveaways. Because I know I've been talking about it, but I finally want to like sit down and, you know, do the video for that. So, yeah. So, I mean, overall, it was okay. I mean, the e.l.f. palette, that's really nice. I'm not mad about it. I mean, it's a really nice matte. Do I want to keep it? Oh, man, I've got a problem. I just want to keep everything. I've got so many on the go. Yeah. I mean, it'll all get used, which is really rare for boxes. I find lately, that they're giving me things I just are like, But this box was pretty good, and it's not that I like wouldn't use this, because I totally would. It's just, I feel like I've got too many on the go. I mean, what's the expiry date on these things? Does anybody know, if you don't open this and don't touch it, how long do these last for? I mean, could you keep it in the closet for a couple years, and then as your other stuff goes bad, use it? I don't know. Maybe comment in the bot. I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, thanks guys for staying tuned with me, because, yeah, that was kind of painful. Sorry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because I have a future giveaway coming up and you don't want to miss out on that. So, yeah, we'll see you later, guys. Thanks. Bye.